Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking chicken livers in the air fryer. So all we need is chicken livers and seasonings. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So I'm just going to season the chicken livers. Sprinkle the seasonings. And now I will put the chicken livers in the air fryer basket. So here's chicken livers in the air fryer basket on a single layer, and let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to flip the chicken livers over so they cook evenly. So just mix everything and try to flip them over. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these chicken livers. They're perfectly cooked. Looks amazing. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Air fried chicken livers. So nicely browned. It was so easy to make them in the air fryer. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So tender, pierced. It's so easy to eat with a fork. It's delicious, super tender, perfect texture. So easy to make, and this is healthy, keto, low-carb recipe, no breading needed to make this liver. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!